Have you ever noticed how you suddenly feel the urge to clean when you're anxious? It's almost as if scrubbing the kitchen counter or organizing your closet becomes the perfect distraction when your mind is racing. But here's the thing, this isn't just a random impulse. There's a deep psychological connection between anxiety and cleaning, and understanding it could be the key to managing your stress levels more effectively. In this video, we're diving into why tidying up feels so good when you're anxious and how you can harness this connection to create a calmer, more peaceful mind. We're not talking about a total home makeover or spending hours scrubbing floors, just simple, everyday tasks that can make a big difference in how you feel. So, if you're ready to turn your cleaning routine into a powerful tool for mental health, keep watching. 1. The psychology behind cleaning and anxiety. Let's start with the basics. Why does cleaning help with anxiety? The answer lies in how our brains are wired. When we're anxious, our brains go into overdrive, searching for something. Anything that can bring a sense of order and control. Cleaning provides just that. It's a tangible way to organize our environment, and in doing so, it helps us feel more in control of our lives. But there's more to it than just control. Cleaning can also serve as a form of active meditation. When you're focusing on a task like washing dishes or folding laundry, you're engaging in something repetitive and rhythmic. This kind of activity can help to quiet the mind, reducing the constant chatter of anxious thoughts. It's similar to how some people use knitting or coloring as a way to relax. Cleaning works the same way. Another factor is the immediate reward that comes from cleaning. Unlike many tasks that require time and patience, cleaning offers instant gratification. You can see the results of your efforts right away, whether it's a sparkling bathroom or a neatly made bed. This sense of accomplishment can be incredibly satisfying, especially when anxiety makes you feel like nothing is going right. 2. How clutter affects your mind. Now let's talk about the flip side, clutter. You might not realize it, but the clutter in your home could be contributing to your anxiety. Research has shown that a cluttered environment can lead to increased levels of stress and anxiety. This is because clutter represents unfinished business. Things that need to be done, decisions that need to be made. Every time you see that pile of laundry or those stacks of papers, it's a reminder of what you haven't accomplished, which can add to your mental load. Clutter can also be overwhelming because it creates visual noise. When your space is filled with stuff, it's harder for your brain to focus. This constant visual stimulation can leave you feeling frazzled and unable to relax. On the other hand, a tidy, organized space can create a sense of calm, making it easier for you to unwind and distress. So, if you're feeling particularly anxious, take a look around your environment. Is it cluttered and chaotic? If so, spending a few minutes tidying up could do wonders for your mental health. Even something as simple as clearing off your desk or straightening up the living room can make a big difference. 3. Cleaning as a coping mechanism, the science behind it. Cleaning doesn't just make your home look better, it can also have a profound effect on your mental health. When you clean, your brain releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. These endorphins help to boost your mood and reduce feelings of anxiety. But that's not all. Cleaning can also reduce the levels of cortisol in your body. Cortisol is the hormone responsible for stress, and when you're anxious, your cortisol levels are typically higher. By engaging in a physical activity like cleaning, you're helping to lower these levels, which in turn reduces your anxiety. Moreover, cleaning can give you a sense of purpose. When anxiety makes you feel lost or out of control, taking action, no matter how small, can help you regain your footing. It gives you something to focus on, something that you can accomplish. This can be incredibly empowering and can help to break the cycle of anxiety. 4. The connection between physical and mental clutter. Have you ever heard the phrase clear space, clear mind? It's more than just a saying, it's a psychological truth. The state of your physical environment is often a reflection of your mental state. When your space is cluttered, it can be a sign that your mind is cluttered too, filled with worries, stress, and anxiety. By clearing out physical clutter, you're also clearing out mental clutter. This is why so many people find that decluttering their homes leads to a sense of relief and calm. It's as if, by getting rid of the things you don't need, you're also letting go of the thoughts and worries that are weighing you down. To take this a step further, consider the concept of minimalism in your cleaning routine. Minimalism isn't just about having fewer things. It's about intentionally choosing what to keep and what to let go of. By applying this mindset to your cleaning, you can create a space that truly supports your mental well-being. 5. Practical tips for using cleaning to reduce anxiety. So, how can you start using cleaning as a tool to manage your anxiety? Here are some practical tips to get you started. 1. Start small. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to clean the entire house in one go. Start with one small area, like your desk or a single drawer. The goal is to create a sense of accomplishment, not to add more stress to your plate. 2. Set a timer. If the idea of cleaning feels daunting, set a timer for 10 or 15 minutes. Focus on cleaning during that time, and when the timer goes off, you're done. This can help make the task feel more manageable and less overwhelming. 3. Focus on high-impact areas. Tackle the areas that have the biggest impact on your mental state. For example, if waking up to a messy kitchen makes you feel anxious, focus on cleaning that area before bed. This way, you can start your day with a clean slate. 4. Make it enjoyable. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. Put on some music, listen to a podcast, or even watch a favorite show while you clean. Making the experience enjoyable can help reduce anxiety and make you more likely to stick with it. 5. Practice gratitude. As you clean, take a moment to practice gratitude. Appreciate the space you have and the opportunity to care for it. This shift in mindset can make cleaning feel less like a task and more like a form of self-care. 6. Creating a cleaning routine that works for you. Consistency is key when it comes to using cleaning as a tool for managing anxiety. By creating a cleaning routine that works for you, you can ensure that your environment remains a source of calm rather than chaos. Start by identifying the times of day when you feel most anxious. Is it in the morning before work, or perhaps in the evening after a long day? Use these moments as cues to incorporate cleaning into your routine. Even just 10 minutes of tidying up can make a big difference in how you feel. Next, consider which tasks have the most impact on your mood. For some people, making the bed every morning sets the tone for the day. For others, a clean kitchen or a clutter-free living room is the key to feeling relaxed. Focus on these areas in your routine. Finally, be flexible. Life is unpredictable, and there will be days when you can't stick to your routine. That's okay. The goal is progress, not perfection. Even small steps can have a big impact on your mental health. Cleaning might seem like just another chore, but it's so much more than that. It's a powerful tool for managing anxiety and creating a sense of control in a chaotic world. By understanding the connection between cleaning and mental health, you can turn your daily tasks into opportunities for self-care and stress relief. Remember, it's not about having a perfect home. It's about creating a space that supports your mental well-being. Whether you're tidying up your desk, decluttering your closet, or simply making your bed, each small step can bring you closer to a calmer, more peaceful mind. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, happier life.